In this course, you will learn how to create a professional website. Altogether, there are 80 video lectures. We will learn from the very scratch. Why do we need a proper website? A complete introduction to WordPress, WordPress tour, how to edit the homepage, various design formats, how to design the sidebar, how you can set the icon for the website, footer, header. Students, this course along with the learning, there will be assignments for you. I have put the assignments after respective videos for your practice as well. What is website speed? What is bounce rate? How to reduce your bounce rate? How can bounce rate affect your website? All the things we are going to learn in this course step by step. Moreover, what is SEO? Some basic tips are also included. You must know about spam, how to install various plugins, how can you link your email with Gmail. I mean your business email that you create, how can you connect it with Gmail? GDPR compliance, why it is important. What is the difference between JPEG and PNG image? The most important aspect of a website is the privacy policy. How to create a privacy policy which is GDPR compliant. We will also learn how to take consent for cookies. When you open different websites, they ask for the consent that is related to cookies. We'll also learn how to add that to your website, how to create a striking logo and adding the logo to the website, making the background transparent. How can you use the logo as a favicon? So there are ample number of aspects that you will learn in this course, and by the end of this course you can easily be able to create a professional website in WordPress. You will also learn what is affiliate marketing, some analysis about website, and let's start page, which is again a very striking feature of website. So now it's the time to quickly move to the first topic, the first video lecture, that why do we need a proper website. See you in the class.